Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Next Road. In this new video you are going to learn how long it takes to change a tire in details. Changing a tire can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, depending on your experience and the tools you have. Before starting, make sure you have a spare tire, a jack, and a lug wrench. First, park your car on a flat surface and engage the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts before jacking up the car. Once the car is raised, remove the lug nuts and old tire. Place the spare tire on and tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Lower the car, finish tightening the lug nuts, and then double-check everything before driving. Remember to always follow safety precautions when changing a tire to avoid any accidents. Practice changing tires in a safe environment so you can do it quickly and efficiently when needed on the road. Thanks for watching. Please support us by liking and sharing video.